Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying essentials. Confirm your account email, recovery phone, and alternate email are correct on file, because Outlook blocks sign-in when data mismatches. Once done, use the device you normally sign in from and join a secure Wi-Fi network to avoid extra risk flags. Open Outlook Web or the app and reproduce the error. Note the exact message and whether multi-factor authentication appears. This first step removes guesses and prepares you to make precise fixes quickly. Next, address common causes. Follow conditional access and multi-factor prompts carefully. If your phone or authenticator app fails, use backup codes or the alternate email to verify, because repeated failed attempts trigger blocks. If you see suspicious activity, reset your password from the Microsoft account portal and sign out other sessions to stop automated blocks. Also clear browser cookies and enable JavaScript, or remove stale app passwords in account security, making sure Outlook authenticates with fresh credentials. Finally, reattempt signing in after you've updated security info and reset credentials. Make sure to wait up to 15 minutes for changes to propagate across services. If the app still fails, update or reinstall Outlook, then remove and re-add the account so tokens refresh. If problems persist, gather the exact error text, timestamps, and what you changed, and contact your IT admin or Microsoft support. They can lift blocks tied to conditional access. One key tip: check whether a corporate policy or conditional access rule is causing the block.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.